Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into a car that doesn't just push the boundaries of luxury, it completely redefines them. Meet the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, a convertible that combines elegance, power, and exclusivity in a way the world has never seen before. If you thought you had seen it all in the luxury automotive space, think again, because this Maybach SL is not just a car, it's a statement of wealth, class, and craftsmanship on a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Maybach SL grabs your attention. Its design is pure sophistication, blending the sporty DNA of the legendary SL Roadster with the refined opulence of Maybach. The elongated hood, the bold chrome grille with the iconic Maybach pattern, and the sleek LED lighting give it an unmistakable presence on the road. Every curve of this car screams luxury, while the retractable soft-top roof transforms it instantly, from a grand touring coupe into an open-air masterpiece. It's a car designed not just to be driven, but to be admired. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The cabin of the 2026 Maybach SL is nothing short of a 5-star sanctuary on wheels. Mercedes has spared no expense here, with hand-stitched Nappa leather covering nearly every surface, complemented by intricate wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and even bespoke crystal accents that catch the light beautifully when the roof is down. The seats are not only sculpted for comfort, but also feature Maybach-exclusive massage, cooling, and heating functions, ensuring that every drive feels like first class. Even the air vents and speaker grills are diamond cut to perfection, reminding you that this car is built for those who demand nothing but the very best. Technology is another area where the Maybach SL sets itself apart. The massive OLED infotainment display floats elegantly in the center, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that feels more like a luxury timepiece than a dashboard. The latest MBUX system is smarter and more intuitive than ever, responding instantly to your touch, your voice, or even your gestures. With 3D augmented reality navigation, AI-based climate control, and a 4D Burmester sound system that immerses you in studio-quality audio, the Maybach SL doesn't just entertain, it elevates the entire driving experience. But luxury doesn't mean compromising on performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach SL comes equipped with a handcrafted twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers jaw-dropping power with silky smooth refinement. Some models may even feature hybrid assistance for extra efficiency without sacrificing that signature Maybach performance. Acceleration is breathtaking, launching you from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, yet it does so with such grace that you barely feel the surge. The suspension has been engineered for pure comfort, gliding over bumps like a magic carpet, but with adaptive dynamics that let you unleash its sporty DNA when the mood strikes. The Maybach SL isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you feel along the way. Imagine cruising down the coast with the top down, the wind gently flowing, while the cabin fills with the soothing tones of the Burmester sound system. Imagine arriving at a luxury event, the Chrome, grills shimmering under the lights with heads turning everywhere. That's the power of the Maybach SL. It's not just transportation, it's presence, it's prestige, and it's an experience money alone can't buy. Because this car is reserved for the few who can truly appreciate what it represents. So, is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL the most luxurious convertible ever made? From the way it looks, the way it feels, and the way it drives, the answer is a resounding yes. It's more than just a convertible, it's the pinnacle of modern automotive luxury. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the breathtaking 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow car lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews of the world's most exclusive machines.